Auto editing photos in Lightroom Classic can save you a lot of time. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to edit photos in Lightroom Classic. So if you want to do that, here is a step-to-step guide on how to get started. So first thing is open your Lightroom Classic. So go to the library module and select the photo or photos you want to edit. Once you do that, switch to the develop module by press D on your keyboard. Once you do that, in the basic panel on the right, click the auto button. This will automatically adjust the exposure, contrast, the lightning, the shadow, and the white and the black based on Lightroom analysis of the photo. So once you do that, you can also apply playing the auto adjustment. You can fine-tune the settings manually to achieve the desired look. Once you do that, if you want multiple photos that needs similar adjustment, you can sync the settings, select the edited photos and hold down the control key, which is for window, and for Mac hold down the CMD key for Mac and select the other photos you want to apply the same settings and click sync button at the bottom of the right panel and choose the settings you want to sync, and that is how you can auto edit photos in Lightroom Classic. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and subscribe for more. Thank you.